Hey, this is Ben Kinney. Thanks for stopping by today. Today we're going to talk about open houses. Open houses are traditionally done by real estate professionals that are looking to get buyers or because the seller made you do it. And the worst part about open houses is you get people coming in and what do they tell you? I'm just looking. No thanks, not interested. Well, why are they even at the open house? People come into open houses for really only two reasons. So let's give you a script that really works. Here we go. Hey there, my name is Ben Kinney. Thanks for coming to my open house today. People come into my open house for one of two reasons. Number one, they're thinking about buying, or number two, they're curious what their own home is worth. Which one are you? By giving the customer only choice A, buying, and choice 2, selling, you get real answers and you get right to the point. And the best part about it, you generate seller leads from open houses. Why don't you give that one a try and keep listening to our scripts? This is Ben Kinney signing out.